Here we are given a transfer wave. As you can see, we have our lambda distance from crest to crest, a distance from troughs to troughs to troughs to troughs, crest to crest. So a crest is the minimum. It is a minimum. It is a maximum. A crest is a maximum disturbance, while a trough is the minimum disturbance. So here they measured the minimum, the maximum disturbance. Here they measured the minimum disturbance. So this is our equilibrium. This is our rest position. Those dotted lines are the rest positions. So wavelength question, the total distance between four consecutive crests of transfer wave is 6 meters. What is the wavelength of the wave? What is the wavelength of the length? First of all, you have to draw a transfer wave in order for you to analyze everything. So they've given us that the total distance between four consecutive crests of transfer wave is 6 meters, which is in case it's 6 meters, the distance of transfer wave is 6 meters. What is the wavelength of the wave? So the one lambda answer. So as you can see here, I've drawn my transfer wave, which in case my lambda here, my distance lambda, I don't know the distance of this lambda. So I've put in my distance lambda, as you can see. So in my distance lambda, we have 1, 2, 3. So I've measured 3 distance of lambda, but I don't know the values. So how do I do the calculation? Since I have my 3 unknown lambdas, which in case I measure it from crest to crest, crest to crest, crest to crest, between the crest position, between the crest position, between the crest positions. Okay, how am I going to do everything? I'm going to say we have 1, 2, 3, 3 unknown lambdas. So 3 lambda lambdas is equals to 6 meters of this transfer wave, which is 6 meters. So I'm dividing both sides by 3 in order for me to find my lambda. So I'll say 3. My lambda will be 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3 is going to give me 2 meters. So it's going to give me 2 meters. So my lambda is equals to 2 meters. That is the most easiest question. All you have to do is know how to analyze the crest, the amplitude, the troughs, the equilibrium position. You have to know everything. You have to know the amplitude. Where is it founded? Okay, right.